Lavna from Lexis and Company, working as an intern. Today I am talking about what is an ex parte evidence. Ex parte is a legal expression that directs and translates from out of the party faction on behalf of. Ex parte refers to a legal procedure brought by one party without opposing the party's presence, representation or notice. Now what is ex parte evidence? Petitioner presents their evidence in form of documents, photographs or witnesses who can attest to the relevant facts. The court first permits their presentation before evaluation all of it in accordance with the evidence laws and rendering a decision on basis of that evaluation. Supreme Court has ruled that an ex parte decree which can be annulled in accordance to Order 9 Rule 13 of CPC is one which was issued after plaintiff's evidence was taken into consideration by the defendant. Now circumstances when this ex parte evidence is relied on. In accordance to Order 17, Rule 2 of CPC, a court may proceed to resolve the case in any of the ways listed in Order 9 in the event that the party to the suit does not present. The explanation to Rule 2 states that the court may continue with the case resolution if any party's evidence or significant amount of evidence presented has been recorded and the opposition party has failed to appear. Instances such as when a party defaults in providing evidence or witness or in carrying out the conduct for the progress of the suit. Order 9(6)(a) specifies that if the absence of the defendant that the court may proceed with the ex parte. Is ex parte administration of the evidence valid? According to G.N.R. Babu versus S.N. Babu vs. Dr. B.C. Muthappa 22, Supreme Court noted that defendant in accordance to Order 9 Rule 13 may contend the ex parte proceedings against him were inappropriate while contesting the ex parte decree through an appeal. The bench noted that defendant cannot argue that judgment ordering the Rule 9 of Order 9 can be dismissed.